Healing from within is something that I constructed many years ago, which involves an in-depth healing process, which combines the insights from Jungian depth psychology with spirituality. And before the pandemic, I used to run regular retreats by the sea in my beautiful space in the west coast of Ireland. Now, I am planning to start this again if it feels appropriate, because although the online work has been quite successful for many of us, it's taught us many things, and that the work can continue and that everything is energy and we're still connected, even if we're not there physically. However, I know we have a hunger. I know that as humans, on a spiritual journey right now in a time of incredible instability, many of us are feeling the need to make a connection with like-minded souls, to join in our spiritual progress forward and to elevate our consciousness. And healing, of course, is, as I have always felt, from my long years as a therapist, when a group comes together physically with the intention of healing, a sacred space is created. And for now, today, we know that we are moving, the energies are very accelerated. We're moving into healing, into a time of spiritual ascension. And so therefore a lot is coming up in many of us, old energies that need to be cleared, karmic stuff that accumulated over lifetimes. So what better way to do it than to do this during a retreat, a therapeutic retreat, somewhere where we are safe and in a small group. And we combine, in the work that I do here, I combine depth psychology, as I said, Jungian work, with spirituality. I use sacred poetry, music, and guided visualizations, meditations, and creative means such as drawing, painting, etc. So I hope you'll join me or consider having a look at my website, www.beniquemauger.com, so to see for upcoming workshops. And I hope to see you soon. God bless.